Díl Henry Shiflin a club na Shamrocks mbliana. An uair darnach greibh sé an stúr bhúd ar hálchraibh club na Héireann sa chéile il chabhlas an Aideach agus feithe. Ina bhachar an taobhlína bhí íorchúd bar na cuid agus treanálaí champion na Héireann Tiberdarn David Herity. An Aireachla a bhóchan na mbliana. Ach a gréibh Monica Chainnigh níos básta éon bhatún na drothas bantas agus ina gcuinge bhí Rogha Éireann far an nach raibh lo gotí seo é bhóchant. An Aireachla starvant amach mar íon Ballyhale an orig. Má dar am donacha a haman trátrachta.
Fechar na helmach ahananta tá ag na Shamróga an agan flug or seo beidir cabhar gan nua an sin beidir Brian Butler sa líon lán chúil as an bhirt barons na tosithe ní léidir mulla na gimmart fós an gorta. Maidir le coslan na chumar Rogha Éireann na job tá Conor Delaney gimmart mar ibar séadmh siúd Michael Brennan Farví ar Erin faoi fiche chunda sa dosithe agus ahrúháin dentacha tá an ón Brennan isteach an áit de Clonbuggy. Nóid cúna se agan anseo agus scáin bhrón ag chunne an teachtain seo, mar gur cailú Luke Harney's Kilvig Bhuaí go toban rinne seachtainna. Fear a bhuaí críomh na Héireann ngrád na minúr a gábhfuil is déile Kilchunne agus Jimmer se na chunda chumá fé féhéan agus idir bhenach. Bás toban, bás tragóideach, banach dé le na anam uasal. Gan tamach an teachas an policy bhíonn ag bord Kilchunne an sin na clifí seo an onad éagsúla. Shamrocks an Chainnigh. Virgin Tahiaka agus an nói Henry Rashmar Vanistor. Virgin Butcher just a Gornell. Niall Shortall third free. Guarantee stock a hauling, Butcher hauling Niall Shortall. Richie Reid, Trasnaga Skippy, Focal Shane, Hen and Policies Fire, Richie Ogal Shane. Shelver Rashing the Shamrock East. Owen Keneally, Tom Shaw, Oskin, Owen the goalie, Tugan Shaw Fui, agus Oshie Kilkenny, Coig Hayan, Dara Cannaga. Cushman Hummer Rogha Éireann, a cancer Butcher, Michael Brennan, agus a few Butcher Jastiga, score das. Till Egyptian at Hastall. Butcher Shach, Richie Reid, a Fanata Shane, agus Jenna Richie Shaw, or Hov Gadov, or Vincha Focal Shane. Mar chosn door le coach, can't you go to Trust in the park again? Sanchella Vacar East, which is just made of her goal. Which is made of goal. No, Sauster's in goal in. Owen Cody. Fick with the reach that. Then an number to Ryan Chen Buntosh the Matok again right or Anskilly going Cody is Vishas made her goal. A Hushi roared. The Shamrock got reached with the Chachtavach and Chainnigh. Fantastic Brian Butler. Then Shefton just Canmore, Father catches just a corner. Oh, the shot for Chainnigh, Brian Cody. Brian Cody got to reach answer. Coley, Brian Cody. Visha Chacht. Nilen Shesh Fiak, Russia Chacht. Leroy's other Curratsos, Evan Shefflin. Bristol Shees and Chin. Cody still is here. Tivish on Lawn Coley. Cooler incident August Babhta. Chancer score a Chainnigh egg. And Vlockall dead on in the Cossendory Trasta. August an ish Chancer Buaicphointí. Egg na Seamróga. Butcherai. The Fotchig Owen Cody. Owen go lower mashup just made over cool Ellen and Besha sauce to the cooling. Besha sauce to the cooling. August Jazz Ray or a Trust on. Daniel and Tavelina. Agus that the Emerson Dol. Oh Yeshka Clay, the gate lads, Captain Nishka Dolo Clay Jesh. Shots to Darla. Cancha Butcher right, Fotchig TJ Reid, TJ Brano, and Spruck, TJ Ord. Shin Kate scored TJ on Emerson now. Henry Cunnell, Sul Showick or Horsey. Fotchig TJ Reid, and past Trasna. Dart Ronan Corker and Curistach. And Dart Corker from the Amelish Gate. From the National Shorthall. Now they got him back. Ilin needs fire. Ilin force gear. After she budget just signal Shorthall. So she can come on. Unsiele ag Rogha Éireann chuck camera orta to mele cool. Agus na dog shit an right turn is catagol tarlu. Takeri can shoot him. Bronta again, yeah, agus better starting on those Carcador. I thought I lowered to the Moyer, and go back can yes, puck area give us on. Conor McMahon, Marcin. Bought to Conor McMahon. You're wugged in Mason. Come a Begonini's far clear the score. Should have made it on. The Rogha Éireann. Fáte ag Adrian Mullen tá tuchasteach Jazz Adrian ag Calarash Corte Fawa dogus pas ag Cowell the cool. Is that David Heritage in the a guy in the Shamrocks ish. Is good shot Clifton in the Tiberdy. Should have been Chainnigh in the Shamrocks is a glue to trust or have Gativ. For Chainnigh Niall Shartall har trust on and cool in Niall Shartall and Shaw on to spawn this way. Een fix de hocht, nog more score. Cool, fought Dan Coogan, that's nog more through in the Honix session. Better ficking on with him. Leroy Dord, that's a mistake. Did you come in and turn over in the Belg on the Shamroga? Got cool fought on more zero. How's that on here? To get there. Correct, and on Keneally, found a Steve Ken in the park. Agus tá sé an lá tosa go Brian Cody for sé cool again that agus tá Colin le le curlis a goal sin. An Barna mé dú tamar fad. Na do Gernach Shete agus by in Shamroga. A Lanach the Rai a grave Kilkenny.
You know, obviously we were strong favourites coming into the game, so the start for us was going to be very important. I think we focused a lot on that, and I think the lads played pretty well in the first half, got up a good score and probably had killed that bit of belief in Castlecomber at that stage. And to be fair, second half got a little bit scrappy, we got a few injuries, but overall very pleased. The objective of today was to get into the quarterfinals, and we're back where we ended up last year. So we do know next game is going to be a massive challenge and massive step up for that, but we're happy to be in the hat now for the quarterfinal draw. I think last couple of years they probably haven't been happy with their overall performances, not even the knockout games, more the league championship games, and we put a big focus on that this year, and we got 6 points out of 10, a bit unlucky in some of the other games. So I think you get confidence and belief, and no matter what club you are, there's nothing like winning matches. So that was a focus for us, and the lads have a bit of hunger about them, which is great to see, and they're working extremely hard, and that's all you can ask for in the group.